Damn, Netflix have taken my money again. I gotta unsubscribe. How do I do that? Well, let me show you guys how you can do that. So just click on your Netflix. So wait for it to open. Okay, so we click on my account. Yeah. Then we move up to the top icon. Click on that on the right, the blue one. Then we come down to account. Click on account. So wait for it to load. Okay, so it's downloading. So you come straight down. So you can notice the next time I'm going to be billed for Netflix is 22 January 2020. So I'm going to cancel the membership by clicking cancel membership. So now it says finish cancellation. Okay, so up here it says, are you done watching? Then it says, if you are sure you like to cancel your membership, finish below. Then underneath it says, this is very important, you need to take note of this. It says cancellation will be effective at the end of your current billing period at 21st January 2020, which means that you can still watch Netflix, download some movies on Netflix, but once it gets to 21st January, you'll be unsubscribed officially. You means you will not be billed and this cancellation will take effect, but till then you can still download and watch movies on Netflix. Then underneath it now says restart your membership anytime your viewing preference and account details will be saved for 10 months. So your history on Netflix will be saved for the next 10 months, and after that it will likely be gone from Netflix, so you might need to start over again. So let's click finish cancellation, and if you want to stop the cancellation, just click on go back. So let's finish it up. So click on finish cancellation. So this is a feedback, so you can fill out the feedback if you want, but I'm just gonna press done, and that's it. So I've cancelled my account. I will not be charged when it expired. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Hi, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Click the red button underneath the video that says subscribe. Thanks.